how are you?
No, that's alright.
It's good strategy.
Yeah, good strategy.
6. Austrian accent sounds super cool. I love it. The town looks just lovely, like from the video game. Everything is cute and tiny. Airlie Beach has access to 3 marinas, while 2 of them are located in the center of Airlie Beach. Driving here, listening to the music, seeing happy customers and making money. Ingredients of fun. Driving and sightseeing. All the nightlife it's happening here at the main street. If you live here, everything that you need is close by. I had the feeling that one day is like 2 days in the city, because there is no traffic and you don't waste so much time on the road.
Thank you.
Or at the Airlie Beach and
Yeah, Esplanade, like Airlie.
Airlie Beach. Okay.
In this episode, I'm presenting you Airlie Beach, where I lived for about 1 year. I worked and I had a lot of fun. And I can tell you, memories are priceless. Airlie Beach has access to 3 marinas. 2 marinas are located in the center of the town. Has access to the airport, and it's very small and compact. I can really recommend you to come here from April to November. These months are the coolest and the most pleasurable. In the day you can have 27 degrees Celsius and in the night 15 degrees Celsius, which is Australian winter. I am Marcin from Outsider. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to see next adventure.